And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. As I speak, it is April 30th, 2022 at 7:15 p.m. Tomorrow, after I get up, drink enough coffee to be alive, take my pills, shove some calories down my neck, drink some more coffee, I'll get dressed, and I'll start taking the stuff that I'm going to need to record out to the shop. Get that stuff all moved out there, set up that little heater. You've probably seen the heater in one of my old videos. It's the one that the tall white one replaced. Still works perfectly good. It's just that there's not all that energy saving as the white one. Anyway, get all that stuff moved out there, turn that where I want it, turn it on full blast, and go away for 4 hours after I lock the door. Then I'll go out there, I have long johns, long sleeve shirt, pants. I got some wool. Can't wear those wool socks. I'll get chips in them. Unless I wear my boots. Might wear my boots. Anyway, and to finish the machining on the big milling machine project, all I gotta do is drill and tap one hole. Drill and tap one little 1/4-20 hole. So number 7 drill. Tap it. And then the versatility of where I mount the columns for this milling machine will be relaxed. And I have some small, after I lubricate everything on the milling machine and get it all tweaked and adjusted exactly right and working perfectly, there are some small things, like that sensitive drilling attachment. I got to get in there and polish that shaft. Keep a clean mind. I'm going to open the thing up and use my buffer, and I think red jeweler's rouge. I'm not going to go to Tripoli. I'm going to start right at red jeweler's rouge and polish that shaft that slides up and down in the fitting of the sensitive drilling attachment. Then I clean it up really, 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 really good and try it slide. I may put a little bit of attention to the tooth on that brass fitting that screws into the side of the attachment, which is what catches the keyway in that sliding rod. Probably use my flex shaft and various small polishing brushes and a little bit of Tripoli at first, then it gets ultrasonically cleaned, then rouge, ultrasonically cleaned again, test fit. I might even do some blue, check for, because, since I'm going to be going about improving it, it better be a lot better, don't it? Oh, that better. Okay, and then I can get into the lathe project. starting with cleaning the bottom half of your shear line lathe. Undo the motor, headstock, set that aside. Everything down from there took apart. And cleaning solvent. Red kerosene works real good, but since we don't have the kerosene heating no more, we don't have no red kerosene. Wonder how much a gallon of that kerosene lamp stuff from Walmart costs. Arm, leg, and an eye. Paint thinner. Neutral spirits from the paint section at the big box hardware store would be cheaper. I bet. Anyway, that is that. There are some pictures on here. The thing that looks like a cat, her name is Chloe. She's about 7 months old now, and we're pretty sure she's not. I mean, she still goes out 4 or 5 times a day and night, but the boys aren't gathering around. Find them, fool them, ... What can I say? Maybe her delivery will coincide with a big bass fishing tournament. Hey, those largemouth, oh. No, I'll take them to the clinic with me in a little box. And on the sign says, take one of us home with you. Or he'd take us to the pet shop for the snakes. Hello. Come here, Poncho. Hey, here's Poncho. You guys remember Poncho? Say hello, Poncho. Hi, Poncho. Say hello. Look here, right here. Yeah, just like Odie. You know, if you ever read the Garfield comic strip, just like Odie. Okay. Anyway, the cat is Chloe. We think she's pregnant. I'm sure she is. And there's a couple of shots of a yard sale find my wife brought me. Would you say that these two items, either separately or together, are worth $1 US? I thought so. Now, when I first saw the larger of these two items, I was a kid. I'm going to be 67 in 8 days. So you can figure that one out. When I was a kid, under 10 years of age, Popular Mechanics would have ads for this thing. Various price points. You could get a $9.95 one that's rather flimsy. You know, then there's the $19.95 one. It's not so flimsy. But there, you know. And there was the $29.95. It was getting kind of, you know, machine tool-like even. And the motive part, that was expensive. Black & Decker 1/4 inch when I was under 10 years of age was sky high. It's come way, way down since I was a kid. Anyway, definitely worth $1. And I think the column size is the same as my other drill press. In which case I'd have a nice auxiliary table to swing aside on my other drill press if I want to. Anyway. Oh, yes. I don't want to be political, so I'm not talking politics, I'm talking simple business. I understand Elon Musk has bought Coca-Cola. Never ever again will that shit pass my lips. I don't intend to give that guy a penny. Frankly, I wish he'd buy Disney and do to them what he's going to do to Twitter and Coca-Cola. Yeah, that's what he going to be doing. So anyway, not tomorrow night, because you'll be seeing this tomorrow night, but night after tomorrow night, you see what I do recording out in the shop. Good night in California.